speech from, right? By his absence is Matt Mahoney. And Ed Malice was quite pissed that Mahoney's missing another show in the back. So in my opinion, Ed Malice is probably going to have some more harsh words for Matt Mahoney when Matt Mahoney does show up again here in HCWA.
Yeah, I saw Ed Malice before the show, and he wasn't happy about Mahoney not being here.
I can't imagine. It's like Ed Malice is here and Mahoney's not. Rick and Tony's not here and Ed Malice is, and Matt Mahoney's not. It looks like the three of them cannot get here on the same night to save their life. That is no way for a team to be. If you're a member of a team, there's got to be unity.
Piece of the garbage! Here we are, get up on your damn feet right now!
And here comes Ed Malice jaw-jacking to the fans.
Let me tell y'all something. This man right here was going to tag up with Matt Mahoney tonight, because everybody knows the old school outcast rule this place. But as usual, Matt Mahoney has let me down. Matt Mahoney is sitting at home right now because he's labelless on Labor Day because he's too sorry to come down here to the border. In fact, Ricky Tony, hey, Ricky Tony, I heard Matt Mahoney's birthday was there. I guess he's at home getting messed up, right?
I think so. Old Matt Mahoney, you know what? He can sit at home because I don't need him tonight. So you know what, Ed? Why Mahoney is it? You know, they say tonight's what, Labor Day? That's all right, I don't need him anyway.
None of these people have a job, so it's always Labor Day for them, right? More like jobless day. But as for Matt Mahoney, when he gets back, I promise you, me and Rick and Tony's going to teach him a lesson.
Thank you, Virgil.
Here, Conrad. Here, Conrad.
Virgil sucks. Virgil sucks.
I see you on TV, sunsets and change. Ever since I was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was on, I said I wouldn't up. And I always say congratulations. I'm jumping out of bed, yeah. And I know it's automatic, yeah. But I know how to have it, yeah. For the money I'm a savage.
Well, Devin Graves, it looks like Damian Diamond has made his return to HCWA tonight in this three-way match.
Diamond got a good pop when he came out.
He did get a good pop. I've never seen Mr. Diamond until tonight, but evidently he must be pretty good judging by the size of the pop.
Diamond's been here before. Diamond's been in his company before. Yuki match. You can say this is Diamond's return to the HCWA.
Well, it's good to have him back, Dean. It's always a pleasure to meet new talent here in HCWA.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, accompanied to the ring by Ed Malice, here's Reckon Tony! And his opponent, making his return to HCWA, he is Damian Diamond! And the opponent, he is the reigning, defending HCWA Anarchy Champion, the Dysfunctional Lunatic, Kid Lightning!
Here we go, Devin Graves. This is a three-way match for the Anarchy Championship. Kid Lightning versus Damian Diamond and Reckon Tony. Kid Lightning looks like he was going for a test of strength. Damian Diamond. They decide to double team Reckon Tony. Reckon Tony ducks down. Now they're just double teaming the hell out of him. He's down. Forearm shots and fierce flying. And a kick to the midsection of Reckon Tony by Damian Diamond.
Yeah, big down going on.
And a whip in, Kid Lightning takes a shoulder right to the post. Or a post right to the shoulder, if you will. Damian Diamond's got Tony wrapped up in the ropes. Oh, and a big clothesline from Damian Diamond. They're trying to get Tony over the top rope. And he kicks off Damian Diamond, and he punches Kid Lightning, and he gets him off of him. Now, and a lariat! Reckon Tony hits a lariat on Damian Diamond. Kid Lightning ducks the clothesline, and he hits a clothesline on Reckon Tony himself. Now he's burying it shoulder to the midsection of Reckon Tony. I cannot understand why Damian Diamond, and a splash! Damian Diamond hits a splash with the aid of Kid Lightning. I cannot understand why these two guys are teaming up against Reckon Tony. It's supposed to be a three-way match for the belt. Oh my God! He just slid right in a double kick right into the nuts of Reckon Tony.
Simple. Eliminate one, and it's one-on-one.
Oh, and a cannonball! Damian Diamond hits a running cannonball on Reckon Tony. Reckon Tony's in a world of hurt, and he don't have his tag partner here to help him. And Ed Malice, it ain't but so much he can do ringside. Ed Malice even jaw-jacking to Alvis Pike, the cameraman, telling him he might get a picture of Reckon Tony in a bad situation. Do you believe that?
Actually, I do.
Reckon Tony, he's kicking his way out of this bad situation. He kicked Damian Diamond, he Kid Lightning. Now Rick and Tony's backed up to his feet. Oh, and a headbutt to the nether regions of Damian Diamond. And Kid Lightning with a super kick to Rick and Tony. The Anarchy champion is now standing tall in the ring. Like you said, here he goes for the pin. And it's 2.
I believe I have to go with Kid Lightning in this match.
Well, since you chose him, I guess I'll go with Rick and Tony. Conspicuous by his absence is Dr. Xavier Blackstone. Where is Kid Lightning's good doctor at? He is not here right now. Where is Dr. Blackstone in Georgia at?
I'm sure he's got a good reason not being here.
Oh, and a back elbow sends Damian Diamond to the mat. And a leg drop. Rick and Tony with a huge Hogan-style leg drop onto Damian Diamond. Now Kid Lightning with a headlock. That's not a headlock. What is that, Devin Graves?
That's chin lock.
Chin lock. I'm sorry, wrestling fans. I screwed up. I can admit that. He's got a chin lock on Rick and Tony. Referee made him break at 5 count. Uh-oh. Damian Diamond went for a backflip and he slipped on the ropes. Oh, did Malice do something?
No, he just slipped.
Damian Diamond slipped on the ropes. He may be in a bad way. Oh, and a stunner. Kid Lightning hits a stunner on the Rick and Tony. Tony kicks out.
Diamond may be injured.
Damian Diamond may need some assistance. He's waving off assistance right now. Oh, Ed Malice hits him with the kendo stick. That low down dirty son of a... Never mind what I was going to say. Got to keep it professional. Ed Malice hit Damian Diamond, who's already down with the kendo stick. So he's hitting a man while he was down. Who does Ed Malice think he is? And his man needs his guidance up in the ring. And a thumb to the eye. Rick and Tony gets a thumb to the eye of Kid Lightning. Rick and Tony's outside the ring making a save for Ed Malice, but he's leaving Kid Lightning up in the ring to recover. Damian Diamond forearm shots Rick and Tony. Rick and Tony answers with a fist and another forearm shot. Rick and Tony hits Kid Lightning and throws his head into the mat. The outside of the ring, and you know there's no give out there on the ring apron, Devin Graves. Now Damian Diamond's in the ring. Rick and Tony's on his way in, and he gets stopped cold in his tracks by Damian Diamond with a drop kick upside the head. Damian Diamond got a front face lock on Rick and Tony. Looks like he's setting up for something. Rick and Tony reverses it with a wrist lock. He gets him up. Oh, and a DDT straight from hell. Rick and Tony hits a DDT on Damian Diamond straight from hell. He hooks the leg, and Kid Lightning stops that pinfall from happening. He interrupts the 3 count, saving his Anarchy Championship. Now Kid Lightning has got Rick and Tony, and he delivers a devastating headbutt. Look at Ed Malice running around like a kid in a candy store. And another devastating headbutt to Rick and Tony by Kid Lightning. Kid Lightning's firmly in control of this 3-way match now. Damian Diamond's on the outside. Rick and Tony is down. Oh hell! Oh hell! Things is about to pick up. Damian Diamond DDT or a suplex or something, Kid Lightning's fighting out of it. Oh, Kid Lightning throws him to the ring, into the turnbuckle. Damian Diamond back up on the ring apron. Kid Lightning with a DDT on a Rick and Tony. Rick and Tony down. Now Damian Diamond going to the top rope. Oh! Damian Diamond off the top rope. Throws him. Kid Lightning throws him out of the ring. Oh man, I thought that was sure 3 count. Rick and Tony with a thumb to the eye, Kid Lightning. Lightning can't see right now. Looks like he's going for a schoolboy. Rick and Tony with a schoolboy roll up. Lightning kicks out. I thought Rick and Tony was going to steal one there, Devin Graves.
At first, I thought there was a 3 count.
What was that move off the top rope Damian Diamond did? I can't remember the name of it.
Swanton.
Swanton. Ed Malice getting the hell beat out of him with that kendo stick by Damian Diamond. He just got knocked the hell out by Damian Diamond with his own kendo stick. And I tell you what, it could have happened to a nicer person. Kid Lightning burying his knee into the back of Rick and Tony. What's Rick and Tony gonna do now? He don't have Matt Mahoney here, and Ed Malice has been ran off like a scalded dog. Rick and Tony in a world of hurt, and nobody here to go to for help. His manager, nor his tag partner, Matt Mahoney. Yeah, I got that. I got that. You got what you deserved, Ed Malice. Damian Diamond with a running knee. He is a running knee to Rick and Tony. Rick and Tony's down. Look, Damian Diamond's got, oh man, he's got, a spear! A spear! Kid Lightning with a spear! And that's 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, no one else to know, John Still, HCWA Anarchy Champion, for Dysfunctional Lunatic, Kid Lightning!
Even without the good doctor here, Kid Lightning still manages to pull out a win and hold on to that Anarchy Championship. Oh, Kid Lightning just wails across the back of Rick and Tony at the Anarchy Championship. Rick and Tony like, what the hell was that?
I believe Diamond may be injured.
Well, I sure hate to see and hear that, Devin Graves. Rick and Tony's attacking him. Oh my God, he just kicked him right in the face. Oh, in a straight right hand. Knocked the hell out of Damian Diamond. Referee trying to get Rick and Tony in the back. Referee better get out of the way.
Oh, he's not doing.
Oh, and a chair shot to the shoulder and back of Damian Diamond. That fan over there got hit with the chair, and I believe she got a little pissed at Rick and Tony. Damian Diamond having to be helped to the back by the referees and security.